In Padova, in the northeast of Italy, some 30 kilometers from Venice, in a region rich in history with the second oldest university in Europe, there is the home of one of the most prestigious Italian machine tool manufacturers, known and respected throughout the world, Saimp S.p.A. This company, founded in 1904 and built up manufacturing various types of engineered lathes and milling machines, is today a modern and functional organization that, with an area of 32,000 square meters, of which some 19,000 square meters is covered floor space, manufactures highly sophisticated grinding machines for the world's automotive industries. These grinders, in single or multiple grinding wheel versions, are used for the grinding of crankshaft main journals and crank pins, camshaft journals and cams, other automotive parts and items in other precision engineering sectors. The commercial and sales engineering officers are staffed with highly qualified personnel who are at the disposal of customers for the analysis of machining requirements, for the calculating of production times, for the determination of equipment, and for the selecting of grinding wheels for any particular job, and for the designing and optimum plant layouts. The engineering officers, with their highly experienced staff, design mechanical, electrical, electronic and system projects, utilizing the latest CAD systems for the optimization, the development and the structural checking of the product, and for the preparation of concise and comprehensive product documentation, not only for classic production use, but also for pre-sales and customer service needs. The machining of all critical parts involving a very high technological content is undertaken by our associate company, Parma S.p.A. Parma, assisted by Saimp engineers, maintains a constant control through the various machining operations so as to guarantee the degree of precision within the tolerances required by the specifications. After final inspection, the machine parts are sent to Saimp, where they are painted and then transferred to the assembly department, where the basic units are assembled. In this area we find extremely highly skilled staff, as it is here that the work requires talents that only experience, maturity and specific know-how can guarantee. It is in this department where the scraping in of matching parts and dimensional squareness are carried out. Operations that form the basis of the future precision and reliability of the machine. Constant quality control throughout the production cycle and testing, not only dimensional testing of individual parts, but also functional testing of assembled units, are the hallmarks of the company's rigid quality standards. After they've been tested, the ready assembled units are transferred to the final assembly department, where the main functional units are geometrically aligned. Once the mechanical assembly is complete, attention turns to the installing of the electric, electronic and numerical control systems, after which it is ready for the running, final adjustments and undergoing of final testing. The main features of these machines are the spindles, the ways, the hydrostatic workheads that give the product extreme rigidity, high rotary and sliding precision, and significant vibration damping, all characteristics that are indispensable with the new super abrasive CBN. To this end, specific machines have been designed which, utilizing linear motors, grind in only one setup, the crankshaft main journals and the crank pins and camshaft journals and cams. The machining is carried out by machines with loop grinding cycle which interpole by specific software the wheelhead feed with the rotation of the workhead spindle. These machines, before delivery, are tested according to the most stringent international acceptance criteria and contractual standards established with the customers. The pieces produced are checked by electronic measure machines that, in even temperature area, carry out quality statistic controls. The after-sales service provides for the training of customers' personnel in the use and programming of the machine and in mechanical, electrical and electronic maintenance. Also, native technicians carrying the service out in their countries attend periodically to these training courses. The service department is connected to the most important customers by telematic monitoring and provides both a repair service and for the supply of spare parts, so ensuring the productivity and good performance of the machine through the years. The awarding of the ISO 9001 certification, which is in hand, will confirm that all company procedures are so organized as to be in keeping with the requirements of quality and the specific needs of the customer. The present quality level, product reliability and customer service have earned the company a significant market share in the automobile sector throughout the industrialized world. In fact, in all corners of the world, prestigious customers are using machines produced by Saimp. Machines that are constantly being technologically updated, with the company investing a high percentage of its income on research and development, so ensuring that Saimp will be the prominent competitive presence throughout the dawn of the third millennium.